We're gonna start this project with large brush and light blue paint. First, we'll cover the whole artwork in light blue. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush and white paint. We'll create an outline for part of the large circle in the bottom right corner. Next, we'll create an outline of part of the smaller circle. Now you can paint in both shapes. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint and create a straight red line above Snowman's head. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in brown paint and create a straight brown line to the left of Snowman. Now you can add couple fingers. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint and create a longer line below red line. Now we'll paint a square shape above red line. After completing an outline, you can paint it in. Next, we'll switch to a small brush and orange paint to create a long triangle. After creating an outline, you can paint in this triangle. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint and create two circles above the carrot. Next, you can paint both circles in. Now you can paint a smile below the carrot by adding small black dots. We'll add 3 buttons using black paint and small brush. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush to paint a scarf. We'll create a straight vertical lines equal distance apart from each other. Now we'll be adding couple horizontal red lines below. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in green paint and fill in the rest of the space between red lines. We'll switch to a small brush and red paint to add couple short lines on the edge of the scarf. After washing and wiping your small brush, you can dip it in white paint to create small snowflakes. Next, you can use white paint to highlight edges of the head. Next, we'll highlight left side of the snowman. You can add smaller snowflakes between large ones by adding tiny white dots. Next, we'll add 2 small dots in each eye. We'll highlight each black button and all the circles that create smile. Next, we can highlight top part of the carrot by adding a straight white line. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.